Equity markets seem to be very volatile. This week itself, we've had two sessions of extreme positive movements, and then we've had one downward session. All of September, we saw a bit of a sell-off post the rally that we'd seen from April to July or August. But one area which remains completely unaffected by all this volatility is the IPO market. Whether you look at Rossari Biotech, which was the first IPO of this year, around just after COVID really began, whether you look at Route Mobile or Happiest Minds Technologies, which we had a couple weeks ago, not only have subscription levels been absolutely superb, listing gains have been tremendous. In the case of Rossari, more than 50%. In the case of Happiest Minds and Route, more than 100%. Now, in terms of two listings that are coming up this week, CAMS and then ChemCon is likely to have a 90% premium as well, because that's what the grey market currently indicates, and it was also 150 times oversubscribed. CAMS was 47 times oversubscribed, and there again, we're looking at a very healthy listing gain. So it's just interesting to see that for quality IPOs and issues that are hitting the markets right now, there's more than sufficient investor appetite. Now, three new issues that are going to be opening this week. We have UTI AMC IPO, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, and then Likhita. The first one, UTI AMC, is a 2100 Cr OFS by existing investors, price band 552 to 554 rupees per share. Now, what's interesting is here, the grey market premium started off at 75 and has recently collapsed to around 45 rupees. So that means that less than a 10% premium. However, for Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, now it's a smaller IPO, 444 crore, government OFS of 15.17%. That has been fully subscribed on day one right now as we speak, and it's currently quoting at a 90% premium in the grey market. So here you could have a listing gain which is perhaps similar to a Route Mobile or a Happiest Mind Technologies. Third, Likhita, it's a much smaller issue, so we're not really going to pay attention to the grey market premium. It's a 62 crore fresh issue, so no OFS. All fresh money coming into the company. Price band was 117 rupees. Grey market premium is 12 rupees. So you're looking at a 7-8% premium to issue price listing. So still, it's a good oil and gas infrastructure company. So these are the three issues to keep your eye out on. Now, I already spoke about the two listings we have this week. We have Angel Broking, which will list on Monday next week. That's October the 5th. Now, even over there, being a broker, the grey market premium is slightly lower. But even that IPO saw very strong subscription. So one trend which continues to repeat itself is that IPOs are getting heavily subscribed, oversubscribed, and then that oversubscription is following on with strong listing gains. What's also interesting is that all these IPOs which have had listing gains, it's not that they just had gains on listing which were then wiped out in the days to come. Happiest Minds, Route Technology, Rossari Biotech, they're all holding their ground basis where they listed. So that's what's expected of CAMS and ChemCon this week, Angel Broking next Monday, and then now you have three IPO issues in UTI AMC, Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, and Likhita that you can apply to if you are interested.